My name is Leah. I'm from the PR department of AudaCity Capital, and we're just doing interviews with some of our traders just to find out about their story and how they got into trading, what their strategies are, and just to find out a bit more about you for other traders to maybe see it and maybe to feel inspired. So, my first question to you is just to introduce yourself. Tell us about you and your background and how you got into trading in the first place.
Okay. Well, my name is Derrick. Um, I'm from Ghana, but currently in the UK now, uh, studying electrical and electronics engineering in my final year. And my story on how I got into trading was I went to play football, and then I ended up breaking my ankles. So I was bedridden for about 6 months, and I felt quite useless, doing nothing, just sleep, laying in bed, lying down. And I decided to find something to do with my time. So a friend of mine introduced me to the currency market and the Forex exchange. And uh, I think I started with studying from IML, but what I realized was I kept on paying for education and I wasn't getting the needs, my own needs. I was just basically throwing money into them. So I decided to go solo, learn from all angles and find the best thing that I can do it. So I started trading. I didn't start with a demo account, and that was a very bad decision by me. I kept on pumping money into my account, and I kept on blowing it, and it just went, just lost a lot. So I decided to take time and actually learn how to trade. And yeah, I started learning, and I got to realize. So my strategy is kind of like a lunar cycle with every 2 weeks. Funny enough, I don't know, it's like the moon changes the decision people make. So if, let's say, for 2 weeks people are going long, the following 2 weeks they might change their decision and decide to go short. So if you check every lunar cycle, the full moon and the new moon, you find out that the trend changes, the shifts from a buy to a sell, buy to a sell is not 100% certain, but that is what happens. And then I like trading that using the Fibonacci's as well. So, but to be fair, after I got a large account from AudaCity Capital, I thought I could go into scalping. I realized scalping isn't for me, so I should just switch. But with the normal basics I knew, and yeah, I'm trying to grow my account back up again.
That's good. It sounds like you're on the right track, anyways, for what you're doing. It's very interesting how you got into trading. Um, so, do you have any? Have you had any like good days or any really bad days? Like maybe one day that you've completely lost everything, and then one day where you've earned like triple that or something. This is just to allow people to understand that it's not like a linear process. You're not going to get rich in one day. It's like you're going to have some losses. You're going to have some good days and bad days. So if you have any you'd like to share.
Yeah. So my experience was, I think no, 3 weeks ago, I lost about 1,000 from my account, and I was making the right decisions. It's just that I was quite, because I was new to a large account, I was very scared to take my stops far away and let the market breathe. But I kept on bringing the stop loss very close, and it kept on hitting. But the following week, I made all that I lost again, and I decided to go back to my basics, and then when I went back to my basics, it worked out. I gained all that I lost, and then I gained a little bit more, like I think 40% profit. But I tried the following week again. I tried scalping. I tried to do something else because I thought, you know what, it's a get rich quick scheme. So I tried to scalp so I can just get in and out and quick, in and out and quick. But what I realized was that the market wasn't just moving; it was just stagnant. I don't know whether it was due to the explosions or what caused it. I do check the news a lot, and I didn't see the reason why the market will be stagnant. So yeah, it was bad for me last week, and then this week I decided to go again, and finally I'm gaining back what I've lost bit by bit, but I'm not in a rush. So yeah, I feel like handling others, the capital AudaCity gave me. I feel like last week was my best week. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
that's
good.
good. Yeah, that seems to be the thing with everyone, that they lose some one day or get it the next day. It's just not a linear process for anyone. Like everyone I've interviewed so far has had the exact same thing. So, what program are you doing with AudaCity Capital? Are you doing the funded trader program or the hidden talents program?
The funded trader program.
Funded trader program. So, what is your experience with that so far? If you have anything else to add about it, just so we know how you're feeling about it and how, if you have any other advice to people who may be considering doing a funded trader program, because I know sometimes it's a big step to go into that, and some people are anxious and reluctant. So, if you have share any experience with this or any advice, that'd be good.
Yeah. So I do think AudaCity Capital has actually given me freedom, like my space to do what I want to do because I do realize how much I've lost, and then I don't get any core, I don't get any caution. I think, I feel like they trust their traders because they want, yeah, I like the way you give me room to operate. And yeah, that is one thing, a plus about AudaCity Capital, and I really like that about them.
That's good. I'm glad you're enjoying it, and I'm glad you're getting the freedom that you need to do what you want to do and need to do. I think you've covered everything that I've needed, so thank you so much for the interview today. And hopefully, maybe in a few weeks or a couple of months, we can meet again and discuss your progress and how you're doing then.
Okay, looking forward to that.
All
All
right,
right,
perfect.
perfect.
See
See
you
you
later.
later. Bye.